Wagwan YouTube, you know it's your boy Clicked, and today I'm gonna be reacting to a movie that has your boy in it. Yeah, man, your boy got his first ever movie role. You know, Mama made it, but I'm just kidding, man. Reef and Kristen put out a Halloween movie called Right Before Our Eyes, and you know your boy had a part in it. So we're gonna watch it live right now, and I'm gonna be reacting to it, man. So if you guys are new here, man, you're welcome to stay here. Hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like, comment. Let me know what you think of my acting. Like, I ain't the best, obviously. It was the first ever go at this, so you know it's not my best performance, but there will be more. You get me? So I'll see you guys in the next one. We're just gonna get right into it, man. Peace. 2, 1, let's go! Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's get it. It's about to go down, guys. It's about to go down. Jeez, it's official. Damn, who's that? Jeez.
Listen, I know you don't like cottages, but you promised me we'd celebrate Halloween this year.
Yeah, you're right, baby. You're right. Yo, there best be some video games here, you know.
Forget that. What about the food and the leak? Now, what about the girls? Oh my gosh. It's
wrong with this?
family, dummy. Shut up, D-Lo.
No, what about the good lighting? Because how am I supposed to film TikToks in that crusty cottage?
Cyan, you're not going to be glued to your phone. Don't make me have to take it away.
Right?
Mama, know why your son won't bring us to Timbo? Ella is your brother. You need to discuss that with him, okay? Alright.
This is the middle of nowhere. It do
Yo,
look like
shit.
that.
Yeah, I think so. Yo, your girl's tripping, fam. Like, this place is far.
Yo, chill. It's not even that far. Just pull up.
Bro, what if I hit a deer?
You're
Middle of
you're not
nowhere
gonna hit nothing.
vibes.
Stop tripping.
Okay. So I exit on Leskard, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
All right. See you soon, bro.
See
Is that a church? Yeah, this is creepy.
So I know most of you are wondering what you're doing here, and
We got
why,
that?
of all places, I would bring you to a cottage in a remote area.
You mean a scary-ass cabin in the middle of nowhere?
This place look crusty and run down.
Let's just make the best.
They
of it,
sure
yo.
do.
So am I going to be able to film some lit TikToks here or what?
Reef, as long as there's no spider or bug here, I'll be perfectly fine.
Well, look, man. You got me at the house, so let's turn up.
You already know the vibes.
But are there gonna be video games though? Cause I left my PlayStation.
Trying to find some baddies. I see a cabin over there.
Okay, anyways,
This guy is dumb.
I'm glad you're all here. Listen, it's spooky season and I'm in the Halloween spirit. So we're gonna tell scary stories, carve pumpkins, and like do a bonfire or two.
And party.
And party!
You see me with the Henny. Like I said, man, you know, you got me out this house. We gotta turn up. You get me? No, this is crazy stuff. I'm not gonna lie.
How we ended up here. Someone's dropping down.
With the Henny though.
Welcome.
This is something.
No, sir, this place that smell like shit. I told you it was custom.
What is this?
He's out here drinking blood.
Tastes lit, okay.
Okay. Listen, bro. She's been making these
All right.
drinks. I'm always the one that has to try them first. You guys have to drink them now. Straight.
It's not bad.
Cheers.
Is she going upstairs by herself in this creepy ass place? Bro, honestly, these rooms are creepy as hell. Opening door? Nah. Count me out. This looks like one of those orphanage houses, you know, where it's like, yeah, right. You see the Ouija board come out? You know nothing good is gonna come from this. It would have to be her that finds that. Bangers. Another shot. You know, we vibing.
Where did you get that? No, my daughter's not suggest that we're playing demon games right now. No, 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 no.
Get that away from me.
Right? Right? Like, who wants to do that?
Because guys, this could literally be the perfect game.
How did I know you would say something like that?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a shot for this, because I don't play with ghosts.
Pour me one, too.
You know she's not gonna stop asking, so we might as well do.
No. No. We don't might as well do nothing.
Next.
Them always a look girl and them don't want it.
Right?
Right?
So, like, are we gonna play?
No.
I'll watch, but I ain't playing.
Come on.
I mean, once you in the vicinity, man, them ghosts don't know no names. My guy said he's looking for things. Here you go.
Well, let's ask a question.
Reef, please get your girl, 'cause I don't know why she's moving crazy right now.
What?
No, but are there ghosts here?
Of course not.
What's weird? Well, let's find out.
Okay. Yo, why am I jumping? Like, like I said, hell nah. Somebody moved that shit on that board, man. That shit was crazy. Wildin'. Obviously not. You're in the woods.
Red, violence, or blue. Sugar is sweet, but not as sweet as you.
Mm-hmm.
I want to make you my
Lyrics.
for life here.
Mm-hmm.
I heard that if you don't ask at least 3 questions, everybody playing the game will die.
Okay. I ain't never heard that.
So I'm gonna ask this question. I want to know this: is somebody in here besides me going to die?
Kristen.
What?
Come on.
You want me to ask?
Yes, I want to know: is somebody in here besides me going to die?
Oh my god.
This guy is selfish.
Okay, is somebody in here besides D'Lo gonna die?
People are about to drop. I mean, we should ask more questions. I feel like, you know. Why did I? Man, looked like he almost ran through the couch. That was a loud ass scream still.
Yes. Nah, bro.
Yeah, like that door was not gonna save us. Drink up. Cause this shit just got real.
Calm down. Nebs is okay. Can somebody call him? Call him.
How do you know that? Bro, I'll try calling him.
Try to call him.
This is not for
Ain't no cell reception out in the woods. He like.
There's no service.
There's no service? Okay.
There's times where man just need to, you know, leave.
I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna try.
This is not for me.
Yeah. Yeah, no. There's a goner, man. I say we pack up and we leave.
It's happening.
What the fuck?
Okay, don't tell me that screaming scared you guys. I was literally watching a scary movie upstairs on my phone.
Wait, it was outside though.
I was upstairs and I heard you guys freaking out.
Nev's probably outside with some random chick.
Yeah, right.
Right now.
I say we cut our losses here, you know? Marshmallow seed, you know nothing good come after that.
Have you guys heard of the energy eater?
I want that.
What kind of name ducks? Sounds like the girls at my school. All they do is dream my energy.
Don't kill me.
Sounds like a great 5 horror story to me.
No, it's an olden day tale about this little boy who lived with his mom. He was an only child, cute kid, well behaved, but one day he just realized he was different.
What do you mean different?
Well, he would have these sleepovers,
Yeah, like-
right? So these boys would sleep at his house, and a few weeks later, they would go missing, and no trace.
That's some crazy ass shit. What did
Honestly.
he do? Kill them all? Creepy ass kid.
Well, basically, like the cops said that he needed this energy to survive. So the tale is that he killed them and basically drank their blood for energy.
Are we talking about this in the middle of
People are
nowhere
saying
by a fire?
He actually just kidnapped them and put them in the woods.
Mm-hmm. In the woods. We're talking about this.
Well, where is he now?
Legend says he's in the woods.
I think we should go look.
I think
Trying
no.
to come with.
No. Boy, sit your ass down.
We gotta find them.
Okay, well, don't be long.
I don't care about Nevs. Sit down. Alright, man.